Alright. Most of the cameras these days has their own way to transfer data wirelessly between the camera to another device. And OM system cameras, formerly Olympus, is no different. In this video I will walk you through on how to use the OM system image share application, or OI.Share app for short, which you can use to transfer files from the camera to your phone and can also be used to remotely control the camera and even edit the photo. And all demo will be done through my OM system TUF TG-7 digital camera. As you can see in the screen, search the OI.Share app from your app store, download and install it. The app is free. When you open the app for the first time, you will need to agree with their privacy policy and allow permissions. Then you need to provide some personal information like your gender, year of birth, usage for the camera, and select 3 subjects of interest for shooting. When you're done answering the survey, you will then be presented with a high-level information on what you can do with the OI.Share application. You can just swipe through them. Then we can tap on the Configure Initial Camera Settings button to start the setup with the camera. We'll then have more instruction information here, but basically, we can tap the Scan button to scan the QR code from the camera. Okay. Let's open the TUF TG-7 now to set it up, which is for the first time also. Let's press the menu button of the camera. Then let's go down to the playback menu. From the playback menu items, select the device connection. Then press the OK button of the camera. Since this is the first time we're setting it up, we are presented with instructions here. Let's click OK. We now have the message to set up the OI.Share in the phone, which we already did. So let's press the OK button again. OK. We are now initializing. And here we go. We now have the QR code which can be scanned from the phone. Let's now go back to the phone to scan this QR code and connect them with each other. Alright. Let's now tap the scan button from our phone. And of course, the infamous granting of access rights to the app. Okay. Now let's scan the QR code from the TG-7. There we go. Let's tap the start setup. And again, a batch of new permissions to be granted to the app. Alright. Bluetooth is now being set up. Now connecting Wi-Fi. And do note that the TUF TG-7 camera generates its own Wi-Fi network connection, which obviously will not have an internet connection. So when your phone is connected to the TG-7's Wi-Fi, you will need to use your data connection to have an internet connection. Okay. Let's now tap connect. Setup complete. Let's tap close. And we have a reminder here to update the TG-7's GPS data. Let's just tap OK for now. And another reminder about the Bluetooth icon in the camera and how you can turn off the Bluetooth from it. Let's tap close. Alright. Phone and TG-7 are now connected and we're now ready to copy the photos into our phone. Let's now tap the import photos. We are presented with some information here, but I'll skip that for now and tap the start button to go directly to the import photo UI. Okay. Just like your phone's gallery, all the photos are displayed here. But do note that all these photos are the ones in the TUF TG-7 camera, not on your phone. We are just viewing them remotely. That's also the reason why the thumbnails are a bit slow to load. To select a photo that you want to download, just tap the small circle at the top right corner of each photo. A check mark indicates that it is selected. You can also tap the small circle in the date group name to select everything under that group. When you're done selecting the photos you like, just tap the import icon at the top. You can then select the resolution of the image and videos that you want to download. Select no resizing if you don't want to change the image size and video resolution. The image and videos will now be copied from the TG-7 to your phone using the camera's Wi-Fi private network. The lighter blue shade in the progress bar represents the progress of the current file being copied, while the brighter, more solid blue shade in the progress bar represents the overall progress. I'm not sure what type of Wi-Fi connection the TG-7 has, but it's probably one of the older versions, since the file transfer here is a bit slow, as compared to something like the Insta360 X3 has. The TG-7 Wi-Fi is probably just about half of the X3's Wi-Fi speed. So be patient when transferring photos and videos. The 3 videos, with a total of runtime of 2 minutes and 17 seconds, along with the 23 photos, took 2 minutes and 36 seconds to finish. I told you it's a bit slow. Anyway, all the files already copied to your phone will have an arrow down icon on it, which is a great implementation so that you can avoid downloading the same file twice. But for whatever reason that you have, you can download the photo or video again if you want. Let's go to the phone gallery to check if all the photos and videos are here. And here they are. Looks like all are here. And I must say, it's nice to look at these photos and videos on a bigger cell phone screen. That shots are amazing. Definitely on a flagship cell phone level of details. Let's go back to the OI.Share app so we can explore the other functionalities of the app. Let's now tap on the remote control section. We are again presented with some information about the remote shooting. But I'll just skip this again and tap start. Okay. There are two modes for remote control. The live view and the remote shutter. I'll tap on select here so that I can choose the mode every time I open the remote control function. Okay. Let's do a remote shutter first. Just a reminder here that when on remote shutter mode, the TG-7 might go on sleep and the Bluetooth connection might be disconnected. Just a reminder to check the connection. Alright. Let's now try to take a photo of our dog by using my phone as the shutter button. There you go. Now the groupie shots will be easier to take. A really nice implementation of a remote shutter button for the tough TG-7 camera. And to take this to the next level, we actually can do a remote control of not just the shutter button, but also the viewfinder. Let's go to the remote control again. Then let's tap the live view this time. Here we go. As you can see, the LCD screen of the TG-7 is just a white screen, while my phone is showing the live feed of what my tough TG-7 lens is seeing. So basically, my phone shows what my camera sees. And these are all in real time. Really great. Let's try to take a shot by tapping the shutter button on my phone. There we go. I am doing the shooting on my phone, but all of these are being processed and saved on my tough TG-7 camera. Really nice. Let's go back to explore the other functions of the app. The camera how to here just opens a page that contains links for instructional manual and global photo gallery. Tapping on these items just goes to the respective OM system website page. Okay. The edit photo, as the name implies, opens a simple photo editor tool. You will need to select a photo from the camera gallery. Then you can change the size and orientation of the photo. You can also apply some filter, recolor, and other simple enhancements to the photo. If you need to do just some simple edits to the photo, this can help. But personally, I would rather just download the photo on my phone and perform the editing on something like Snapseed, which is pretty much a complete and more advanced photo editing app. And lastly, we have the Add Geotags, which basically just lets you attach a location to a photo. I will not go through the details of this anymore, as this is probably something that a few of us are interested in. And that's all the functionalities you can expect from the OI.Share app. And from the TG-7 camera, if you want to terminate the personal Wi-Fi network, just press the menu button. This will now disconnect any connected phones to the camera. You can now go back and use the camera. Or just turn it off. Now, in case you own multiple cell phones and want all of them to be able to connect to the camera, that's not a problem. A single OM system camera can connect to multiple phones, like this tough TG-7 that I have. Thus go to the menu again. Then to the playback menu. Then select device connection and press OK. This will initiate the connection. And the camera will be on a connection listening mode. From this mode, you can press the info button to show the QR code that can be scanned by the phone. Just press the info again to toggle showing or hiding the QR code. Then from another phone. I was using a Samsung S23 earlier and now using this OnePlus 7T Pro. You can just repeat the phone setup that we did earlier. We can scan the QR code from the camera and then go through the setup process again on this phone. Do note that on each phone, this setup process is done just one time. Once you have set up the OI.Share on the phone, you just need to put the camera on connection mode, then open the OI.Share app on your phone, and they should automatically be connected. Alright. That's all I have for this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Milasuj for watching. Noba Air.